Hey there folks, it's David Rush of DavidRushForSTEM.com. I just set the Guinness World Record for longest duration balancing a lawnmower on my chin. I did it here at the Cradlepoint Global Partner Summit with hundreds of partners in attendance, all talking about the Cradlepoint ecosystem and the technologies that we're coming out with that connect the world. We need more students to pursue STEM education. I want students to know if you set your mind to a goal and pursue it with a passion, you can accomplish anything, and that's what these Guinness World Records are about.
You can do it!